In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your Brother MFC J6955DW all-in-one printer. To fix the paper jam, you have to lift it from here with two hands. Once it opens, just have a look inside and you can just take the paper out from here. So it's quite easy to remove the paper. Once you take it out, you can just push it down and hold with the other hand. And if you don't see the paper there, you can go to the back of the printer. So just move it. So you just have to pull this out, and now you can get the access at the back side. So here we have the access at the back of the printer, and now we can take the page out. Once you take the paper out, close this chamber. So this way we can remove the paper jam from this printer. Thanks for watching.